finished Christmas tree, and next I have to make the white yarn tree round 1, 2 and 3. I start from the up here. One chain and 2 single crochet. One, two, three single crochet, and 2 chain and 3 single crochet again. 1, 2, 3, and the last slip stitch. Repeat the pattern around. I make with the light yarn 2 round and the last round make here. Start with the one chain, single crochet 3 times, 1, 2, 3, 2 chain, 1, 2, and single crochet 3 times again, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch. One chain, and repeat the same pattern. Single crochet 3 times, 2, 3, 2 chain, 1, 2, and single crochet again 3 times, 1, 2, 3, repeat the same pattern. Now I finished Christmas tree. Next I will make the star put on top here.